Sana all na lang talaga sa mag-asawang sina Coco Martin at Julia Montes, sabay dumating sa ABS-CBN Ball 2025, lulan-end ng kanilang Tesla Cybertruck ng sasakyan, ang gorgeous ni Julia Montes at ang pogi naman ni Coco Martin. Isa sina Coco Martin at Julia Montes na anabangan ng mga netizens na rumampas sa Star Magic Ball ngayong taon. First look, Julia Montes in Vanier Rumoff for the ABS-CBN Ball, bloom into style this spring where fresh colors, light fabrics, and endless possibilities come together. Designer, Vanier Rumoff stylist, Patty Yap photographer, Arto Nepomuceno video by, Kim Weeble makeup, Harlan Fernandez hair, MJ Roan Jewelry, Wizenhunt design special thanks to, Spotlight Creative Studios, Las Cosas de Accusar QC, Nicole Wizenhunt, New Lounge QC and Carlitos Catering.
Ako ngayon, Primetime King, Coco Martin, and the lovely Julia Montes. Hello, welcome to the ball.
Hi, hello, MJ.
How does it feel to be here?
I'm excited, syempre. Every time na may ganitong gathering, syempre, ito yung time para makabanding mo yung mga kaibigan mo, yung mga bosses natin. Opportunity para makapagkamustahan.
Ang hinihintay ng lahat, Julia Montes and Coco Martin, ABS-CBN Ball 2025.
Always stay with you.